Now let me teach you the Chinese character or the Chinese word for cooking oil, 油. Let's see, this character, it has two parts. The left part is the water radical. We know that 油 or oil is oily. Also, it's watery, so that's why we have this water radical here. And the right part is its pronunciation part, because this radical in its pronunciation is 油, exactly as the whole character 油. So that's why this is the pronunciation part. Okay, let's write 油 again. Water radical, and my stroke order here is that this is the second to the last stroke. Okay, follow my stroke again. Here, and the last stroke is we close the door. 油 cooking oil.